Good morning, my dear students. In today's session, we are already completed in two sessions, two parts. It is part number 3. In part 1 and part 2, I have been explained to you. I I explained the question tag regarding to question tag in two sessions and two classes. This is the part number 3. In part 1 and part 2, what is the question tag, definition of the question tag, and what is the necessary we use question tag, and what is meant by question tag, different basic rules, what are the basic rules of question tag we have already discussed. And now a practice text, a practice test with 10 bits I am going to explain you. The students who are watching this video, the previous classes part 1 and part 2 regarding to question tag, you must watch those videos and then you should understand clearly these practice test, my dear students. Generally, question tag is we add question tags at the end of the statement, and to turn them into questions. Direct questions, double edge questions, what is there, how old are you ready to go there. These are the double edge questions, and yes or no type questions are there. They are interrogative questions. These are called tag questions. These questions are used in mostly in spoken language, and especially when we want to check something is true or false, to invite people to agree with us. It is called a mini question. It is called a mini question, a fragment. We are adding to only these sentences, declarative sentences and imperative sentences, imperative and declarative sentences. We are not adding the interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences. If you want to write the question tag correctly, you must know about the kinds of the sentences, and you must know the tenses also. That is more important. The given statement, in which tense they have written, that should be you understood, my dear students. You understand, you clearly understand, you thorough knowledge about the tenses and kinds of the kinds of the sentences. Either it is exclamatory or it is assertive and interrogative, imperative. In assertive, both negative and positive sentences are there in question tag, and imperative also, both negative and positive. What is the necessary to use the question tag? To verify that something has been understood, or to confirm. That is more important. To confirm. For confirmation, the action has occurred, or confirm whether something is true or not. To encourage we want reply. That is it is a label. It is a short question. And comes at the end of the sentence. So you speak English, for example, don't you? This is one of the example. There is always comma in between the question tag and in between the question tag and statement. Always comma. You must be question tag and statement. Comma is necessary. COMMA, comma is necessary, compulsory, in between the statement and tag. At the end of the tag, you must keep the question mark also. That is more important, my dear students. Okay. Before going to discuss these practice tests, the first one is they have given 3 options, my dear students. The first one is first 1, 2, 3 options. He is still sleeping. First of all, it is an assertive sentence and it is a present continuous tense. Here the contracted form is there. He is still sleeping. Still is in between main verb and helping verb. Still is an adverb. That means until particular time, continuing to happen or continuing to be done. And this is adjective meaning. And sometimes still functions as an adjective also. It is not an adverb. Adverb, here it is an adverb. He is still sleeping. That means continuing to happen up to this time, until this time. Now, that is the meaning of the adverb here. The function of the still is adverb. And sometimes it functions as an adjective. That means adjective means staying at a difficult sit or stand. Sit or stand, stay. For example, he dived into the still water of the lake. Dived means he jumped into the still water. Still water means still means here calm and not flowing. Here the still means what is the meaning? Adjective calm and not flowing. He jumped into still water, into the lake, still water of the lake. That is the adjective function. Here that is not the topic. Ours is question tag. First of all, in elimination method, we have to eliminate some of the. For example, how to eliminate the given statement is assertive sentence. This is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. But we delete the past tense. Was is there. But we select one of two options. He is not. This is expansion form. We never use expansion form. The structure of the question tag is verb plus pronoun, only pronoun. If it is negative, we should add the not. We never write the question tag or speak the question tag, tell the question tag only in contract form, not the expansion form. That means what is the answer? Isn't he? He is. That is the correct answer. Second one is the correct answer. Correct answer is he is still sleeping. Isn't he? Comma and then at the end of the question tag you put the question mark. That is the first answer. And then we go to the second one, my dear students. Second one. This one is you do go to school. Do. You go to school, you do go to. What is the difference? You go to school. It is a simple present tense. Simple present. Do is V1, go is V1. You go to school. It is assertive sentence. So it is affirmative. We should add the negative question tag. If the statement is positive, the tag is negative. If the statement is negative, the tag is positive. That is the grammar rule, my dear students. Here you do go means to add emphasis. You do work. You do complete this work in time. You do complete your project work in time. That means what is the meaning? You insert the do in between that subject and main verb here. To add emphasis, and something forcibly or clearly. Emphatic do. It is called emphatic do. It is called emphatic do. It's far more in speech than in formal written language. It has been used only in oral language or spoken language, in speech also. And we said, what is the meaning of that? We said you do you do go to school means we said strongly and clearly. That is the meaning of the sentence. The tense is simple present tense. That's why in second question we should select the present tense tag. Aren't you is not the correct tense, and it is wrong. And what is the right answer? Do you is a positive tag. If the statement is positive, we should the negative tag. You do go to school. Don't you is the right question tag, my dear student. Third one is right answer. And we go to the next question. That is the third one. Third question. In third question, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. It is a contract form. Let us. Let is always followed by objective pronoun. We are subjective pronoun. We in plural. I objective pronoun. Me. We have already known. He, him, she. Her objective pronoun. Her. They, them. Here the let's go for a walk. Let's go for in language functions. So it is come under the suggestion. Let us go for a walk. It is a suggestion in language functions. Let means not prevent or prohibit. What is the meaning? To allow to do work. To permit, to allow, to permit. Let means to allow or permit, to give permission. Let's go for a walk. When the sentence let's structure, we use the question tag is, what is the question tag? Let's structure, shall we is the question tag. The first one is the right answer. Shall we? We should understand the let's. If the sentence start with let's structure, you should write, select the right question tag, shall we. That means as, let us, as is the objective pronoun, we is a subjective pronoun. That means let's go for a walk, we should select shall we. It is the right answer, my dear student. It is the sentence start with let us. It is the sentence start with let us. It is in language function, it is a suggestion, my dear students. And next one is fourth bit, fourth question we should understand. Fourth one is we won't be late. It is in the future tense. Won't means will not. Will not is a full form. Won't is a contracted form. It is a future tense. We won't be late. We will not be late. It is a negative form, negative statement, and assertive sentence, a declarative sentence. We should write the positive tag, my dear student. That means it is a negative statement, question tag. R is not suitable. The second one is the right answer. We want to be late. Will we is the right question tag, my dear students. And then we go to the next question. That is more important here. Nobody called me. Nobody called means called we to. It is past tense, simple past tense. Nobody called. We have already know about the nobody. These statements start with nobody, nobody, no one, and somebody, and someone, and everybody, and everyone, and everyone. And these words, the pronouns, these pronouns, indefinite pronouns, start with the sentence or statement. We use the pronoun. Which pronoun we have to select instead of that they? We should select the pronoun they. But it is first one is first option. We have to eliminate the first option. It is a simple past tense. Do is a present tense. But in this we have to select which is the most suitable answer. Nobody gives the negative meaning. Nobody gives the negative meaning. Nobody called, that means no one, any person did not call me. That is the meaning. That's why we select the negative, positive. We select the positive question tag. It is a negative statement. We select the positive question tag. Did they? Did they is the right answer, my dear students. Did they is the right answer, my dear students. Did they, this is the third one, this is the right answer. Why? Because it is a negative statement, it takes the positive question tag. That is the right answer, my dear students. And we go to the sixth one. We go to the sixth one. What is the right answer? They will wash the car. It is also future tense. They will wash the car. They will wash the car. Will wash means verb here, V1 verb, shall plus V1, will plus V1. They will wash the car. It is a assertive sentence, declarative sentence, and statement is a positive statement, affirmative sentence. And we select the negative statement. Negative statement, would is there. It is the will is the present form, would is not the right answer. But it is a positive form, we don't write the positive tag. We select the negative tag. They will wash the car, won't they? Won't they? You keep the question mark. Won't they means will not. Won't expansion form, will not. We never use the full form or expansion form in the question tag. We always use the contracted form, my dear students. First we use the verb, then follows the pronoun. We never write the noun form in the question tag. We should write only pronoun only. That is the answer, my dear students. And seventh one is they have given three options. Here we must lock the door. Must. We have already known about the must, ought to, use to, shall, should, will, could. I have given more videos on modal verbs and exercise also. That means here the must indicates. What is must indicates here? Obligation, order, advice. That is the function of the must. We must lock the doors means we must our duty, our commitment. Must means our duty. It is our obligation, our commitment. That is the main important in this situation. We must lock the doors means it is a positive sentence. It is a positive statement. The tag is negative tag. We should select the negative tag. Must is a modal verb. We eliminate the shouldn't way. Next, mustn't they. Here they is not pronoun. We is a pronoun. The same pronoun repeated here. We never select another pronoun. And then mustn't we is a right answer. This is the third answer. Third one is the right answer. Mustn't we, mustn't we, it is the right answer. And why we should we select that one? This is a negative tag, this is a positive statement. That's why we have selected that one. And next, eighth one is it is exception. It is exception. In English, every grammar rule there is exception. So that means they did not follow the rules, my dear students. Exceptions. What is the exception? I am right. I am right. I am right. It is in a simple present. I am right. I am right means I am. It is expansion form. It is a short form. That means what is that explanation? What is the explanation? Statements begin with I am right, I am. We use the verb form aren't I. It is a expansion form. Aren't I. Aren't I is it is exception. It is not follow the rule of general rules. Generally, if you don't know the rule, what do you write? Amn't I, we have select. It is a wrong answer. Amn't I. A statement is positive, we should write the amn't I. Most of the students they select this answer. But there is an exception is there in this situation. This is not a correct answer. Am not I, we never use the expansion form. It is not a correct answer. We should use contact form aren't I. Aren't I is the most suitable answer. For example, here the answer is the statement is positive, the tag is the negative, aren't I. For example, I am not right. I am not right. I am not right. What is the question tag? Am I? Am I? It is correct. A positive tag is it follows the rules, but only negative tag did not follow the rule. That is the exception, my dear student. For example, I am not intelligent. Am I? I am an intelligent person. I am an intelligent person. That means aren't I? That is the, you should understand, you should remember this, you should note this one particularly. You should remember always this one. This is one of the exception in English grammar in question tag also. And then ninth one. What is the ninth one? Ninth one is you bought a car. So is a conjunction. It is a coordinate conjunction. It is not necessary. You bought a car. Bought means V2 verb. It is in the simple past tense. Simple past tense means what should we select? Have into you is a perfect tense. Weren't you? This is weren't you? It is not suitable. Simple plus did plus V1. Simple past tense. What is the right answer here? Did you? These are negative tags. This is all the negative tags. Only positive tag is there. But did indicates the past tense. Do does indicate the present tense. You bought a car. Did you? You bought a car. Did you? It is the right answer, my dear students. This is the tag we have select which is positive. The statement you bought a car. You bought a car. You bought a car. That means it is a positive statement. There is no answer here. Sorry, my dear students. Here you bought a car. The answer, right answer is not there here. And the statement is positive statement. We should select the negative. Didn't you? Didn't you? This is the right answer. Sorry, this is the right answer. Why? Because there is no option here. Didn't you? Didn't you is a right answer. Weren't not a right answer. My dear, main verb V2 verb is there. That is the right answer. Okay, my dear students. Next, we go to the 10th bit. What is the this question based on? He wouldn't. Wouldn't means would not. Wouldn't means would not. Like to invite my dad. It is a negative sentence, negative statement. He takes the positive tag. What is the answer? We take the positive tag. Positive tag is the same helping verb is there, modal verb, and a pronoun is there. That means positive tag would you. The right answer is the would you. It is the right answer. Okay, my dear students, I have explained all the 10 questions regarding to question tag. Each and every one you should understand. You study, you take some material, and you study that. And if you have any doubt, try to ask me, my dear student. And if you want to ask any doubts, try to contact to my number. My contact number is mobile number is 94416999685. This is my contact number. If you have any doubt, try to ask me. I will clarify your doubts. I will clear your doubts, my dear students. Okay, thank you everybody. All of you. Goodbye, my dear students.